Across controlled forests, modern management balances wildlife populations with sustainable food production at unprecedented scale globally.
Thermal data shows movement towards the southeast quadrant.
Perimeter confirmed. Coordinates locked.
Clear the area around the driver.
We're secure on this side, boss.
Good, let's move to the next section.
Drones and ground sensors coordinate timing, weather, and movement for precise, ethical capture operations at scale. Veterinary teams monitor health indicators, ensuring welfare standards before transport preparation begins under strict regulatory oversight.
If we align the harvest windows here, it stabilizes the supply chain
and ensures we protect the habitats long term.
Documentation and compliance checks conclude field operations, readying livestock animals for controlled transport to processing facilities securely.
Once captured, wild boars are guided calmly into holding zones, designed to reduce stress.
Subject 42 is showing an irregular gait and elevated respiration.
Agreed. Divert to observation pen now.
Diversion initiated.
Each wild boar receives digital identification, enabling full traceability throughout transport and processing stages.
Strict biosecurity protocols protect animals, workers, and facilities from contamination during handling phases.
H2 manifest is clear for immediate loading.
Confirmed. Aligning the ramp now.
With sorting complete.
Operations transition seamlessly from on-site handling to controlled transportation logistics. Specialized transport trucks are engineered to move wild boar safely while minimizing stress and injury.
Biosecurity checkpoints disinfect boar transport vehicles, safeguarding processing facilities from external contamination risks.
We have agitation in compartment 4, reducing speed and activating the cooling sequence now. Everything should stabilize.
Docking infrastructure protects each boar from temperature shifts during transition into processing facilities.
Digital records are reviewed automatically. Any irregularity pauses unloading until resolved.
Respiration is steady.
Data confirms stability. We can proceed.
Industrial transport ends as each boar enters controlled factory workflows designed for efficiency. The processing facility is engineered for controlled intake and hygienic handling of wild boars.
Airflow stabilization complete. We are cleared for the next intake sequence.
Trained teams coordinate with automation to prepare wild boars for regulated processing stages.
Initial inspection lines activate as wild boars enter controlled preparation corridors.
Quality teams oversee wild boar preparation, ensuring regulatory standards are consistently maintained.
Lighting systems adjust dynamically as wild boars transition between zones. Cooler tones signal inspection.
Initial preparation completes as wild boars enter the core stages of industrial processing.
Check the alignment on the next sequence.
Looks good from here, maintaining speed.
Smart conveyor networks distribute wild boars evenly, sustaining uninterrupted flow throughout the facility.
Throughput is spiking on line 3. We need to adjust the compliance parameters. Confirmed.
Skilled technicians oversee automated systems processing wild boars, ensuring reliability and rapid issue resolution.
Large-scale processing completes as wild boars transition into preservation and finishing operations. Cooling tunnels stabilize wild boar products through controlled temperature reduction and precise airflow management.
Rapid freezing technology preserves wild boar products by locking freshness and structural integrity instantly.
Moisture control rooms manage wild boar products post-freeze. Dehumidifiers and airflow channels balance surface.
Data-driven oversight refines wild boar preservation processes for consistent, large-scale output.
Preservation completes as wild boar products move forward toward packaging and storage stages.
Vacuum sealing protects wild boar products by removing air and extending freshness safely.
Final packaging inspections verify wild boar products meet strict quality and safety standards. Real-time monitoring safeguards wild boar products by maintaining uninterrupted cold chain compliance.
Your freight manifest for the Dublin shipment is confirmed.
And the regulatory documents for the ocean cargo to Guangzhou, are they logged?
Yes, all set. Get these loaded.
Packaging and storage conclude as wild boar products prepare for global distribution channels.
Logistics centers coordinate wild boar distribution with precise timing, tracking, and temperature control systems.
Route management software confirms the rail hub is the most efficient option given the current demand. We have full visibility on the convoy.
Port operations maintain cold chain integrity for wild boar exports awaiting global shipment.
All our wild boar is certified sustainable. You can scan this QR code for the full origin story.
Sustainability practices reduce environmental impact across the wild boar supply chain lifecycle.
Economic reports highlight the scale of wild boar production, supporting rural employment and global trade. Automated systems enable consistent volumes while stabilizing prices.
By optimizing the cold chain logistics from the factory, we can reduce spoilage by 3%.
And if we implement the new
From field to table, wild boar products move through a tightly coordinated global system.